guess what? You have no right to guess where I am, because I'm literally in the middle of the sea with an oar in my hand, and it's just me on this small boat by myself in the middle of the sea. I'm taking this beautiful kayak right into the sea. Everyone is surfing right now, and it is my second last day in Goa, so I'm gonna take this kayak. I've only had one session before and I should be afraid, and I am a little afraid, but let's see how this goes. Now this is the toughest part. You have to take the kayak across these first set of waves, and you have to keep your kayak straight and go really forward. So I'm gonna start to do that once I'm in the water. How do I keep this straight? I think it's straight now. Yeah, it should be like this. So my instructor, Pete, told me that kayaking is really easy, but he didn't tell me how hard it is on your shoulders. And the last time I went with him, for the next maybe 1.5 days, I could not do anything. My whole back and my whole shoulder was hurting. And I think it's going to be the same tomorrow, because I'm doing the same thing, but let's see how this works out. I was getting a little scared because I'm in the middle of the sea, so I've come a little closer to the shore. The surfers are all the way there. My instructor is teaching them, and whoa, what a beautiful life it is. In the middle of the sea, on a boat, with an oar in my hand, and nothing else. No food, no water. This is not a survival video, by the way. I'll be out of the water in like 30 minutes. But just look at this. I'm afraid to look underwater because I'm afraid of sharks. Like, ooh! I was about to topple over my board, and you all would have seen me drown in the emptiness. That is my life. No, I'm just kidding. My life's pretty fun. I'm doing this. But there's literally nothing. I can hear things, like, and I can hear the waves crashing on the beach. I can hear the water moving. I can hear everything, but there's no like human presence. And I realized that I should get some sun on my face because the video is getting very dark. So I'm turning my kayak. You can see it. There you go. There you go. I have some light on my face now. And let's just go. I'm a little scared. Because again, I'm on a boat by myself. It's not a boat, it's a kayak, by the way. And there's literally nothing around. So if a shark comes and decides to have its way with me, then I'm done. I'm literally done. I'm not going to be here for a lot of time. I think I'm going to be out in like 30 minutes. but let's just enjoy this while we can. So just a little information. I know how or when it's going to be helpful for you, but for you to kayak, you just have to hold the oar between your hands. It should be perfectly placed in between, and if you have a hand that's dominant or that's moving the boat to a certain side, then you can just shift a little back. The balance will stay intact then. And if you have to turn, like if I have to make a right turn, I'll only use the right side, and from the right side I'll try to stop the board. So I'll make this action and I'll try to stop the board and make the action the opposite way, this action and then that action, and I have turned 180 degree in just 4 actions. So let's go and see how this information will ever help you. If you don't know this information, you probably shouldn't be in a kayak in the sea, but just in case you are, I'm your guy. I've got you, man. I've got you. I have been kayaking for a good hour now, and I'm really sweaty, I'm really hot, the sun is getting up there. So I'm gonna start going towards the beach. I'm gonna call it a day. It was really fun. I still don't want to go back, but as you can see, I have eyeball sweat. My hair is all greasy now, and I really want to go into the water, but I can't do this while I'm on this boat. So I'm gonna go to the beach, and then maybe I'll go for a swim, and then a really good shower because I'm really sweaty. I was scared to do it, but now I have done it, so I can do it a lot of more times. Okay, bye. Okay, bonus content. I'm gonna try and go towards the surfers and try to find my teacher, and I'll try to get him in the video just for a quick hi. Alex is over there. I said my hi. I couldn't get it on the camera. He's like there, and he's teaching a class. Say hi. Oh, now he's waving hi. I got him in the video as well. I should go away from the surfers now. I'm gonna catch a wave with this one. Finally outside of the water. I caught a wave on this one. I'm not sure if I got this on the video, but I'm gonna call it a day now. This is the toughest part.